I got s'mores cotton candy. Let's open it. On. Okay, got the plastic off. And now let's open it. Yep, it definitely smells like... It smells like cotton candy more than it does s'mores. Especially, I like s'mores, but I'm not really a cotton candy fan. Alright, I'm actually excited for this one because I get to taste my favorite campfire snack. And I don't even go camping, but I still like s'mores. Okay, let's try it. Yo, what? If it's busted, that's busted. That is busted. Wow. Like and subscribe because I'm giving this one a 7 out of 10. Or no, an 8.9.